Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed SoundCloud player into your WordPress post. So go to the SoundCloud artist page, find the track that you wish to embed, then go to your WordPress where you have Zion Builder installed. Now here I'm going to check the pages. So let's see if I want to add the player to features page. So I will edit that with Zion Builder. And here you see the editing options on the left. So what we'll do is we will simply open it in tree view. Here you see we already have a section, so we'll have to add one more by clicking on insert section, go with elements, choose the content element, choose custom code. Now on the left hand side of this section you have this option for open custom code toolbox, edit element, and you will find custom HTML option on the left. Now we have to find the iframe for that SoundCloud object, so go with any track, choose share, click on embed, find the iframe code, copy it. You can adjust with the options like say player color, right? Then copy the code, come back to the post where you wish to insert that, paste the code, and on the right hand side you will find your player is visible. You can extend, okay, and then click apply. Now save and publish. Now we go to the pages section and we put in new tab, and here you see SoundCloud player is embedded within WordPress post using Zion Builder.